The one indispensable accessory for any professional graphic artist is the graphics tablet. But not all graphics tablets are equally capable. There are lots of amazing drawing tablets on the market right now, each suited to different use cases. Whether you're just starting out in digital art or are a seasoned pro looking for some new kit, we've got you covered. And that is the reason we have compiled a list of 5 best graphics tablets to buy in 2020. We have made this list based on our personal opinion, listed them based on the price, quality, durability, features, and more. Check out the description below to find more about the product. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Huion H610 Pro V2. A budget graphics tablet that comes with Android compatibility and features that you would only find on higher-end tablets. There are 2 modes to choose from, phone and PC. Each of these modes has a corresponding drawing area size. The resolution of this display is 5080 LPI that efficiently works on every stroke or glide. When working in the phone mode, the 10 by 6.25 inch working area is reduced, allowing you to create mobile-friendly drawing. The pen has 8192 level of pressure sensitivity, enabling it to extend some advanced strokes and classic editing or drawing. The pen has speed of 233 RPS, which helps in impressive precision and smooth function without any delay. Another best thing about the pen or stylus is that you do not need to charge it frequently. The pen is embedded with the latest passive EMR technology that enables the PW100 pen to run for longer hours. The pen tags along 8 extra nibs, and also the pen holder keeps it firm and safe. The tablet also offers a number of press keys and soft keys that will streamline your work and minimize interruptions. Alongside the drawing area, you'll find 8 customizable press keys. On top of the tablet's work area, there are 16 soft keys that can also be customized to your liking. The pen also has 2 press keys which can be customized. If you're just getting started with digital art or you are an established artist on a tighter budget, then the Huion H610 Pro V2 is a great model that offers all of the features you want without the fluff. Next up at number 4, we have the XP Pen Deco01 V2. If you're just starting with digital painting and looking for a drawing tablet to improve your drawing skills, then the XP Pen Deco01 is probably the best in the segment in terms of features and pressure sensitivity. The XP Pen Deco01 can detect pressure sensitivity up to 8192 levels, which is indeed a very good feature. The active area of 10 by 6.25 inch offers enough space to draw on, which lights up at night so that you can draw conveniently even in dark conditions. It has a resolution of 5080 LPI with a response rate of 266 RPS, which is a good deal for such a budget tablet. The pen that comes with the tablet is battery free, so you don't need to charge it as there is no way of running out of battery. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt brush effect and delivers smoother and more natural lines and strokes. The included pen holder contains 8 replacement nibs. The tablet features 8 customizable keys with its blind spot reduction design so that you can find the express keys efficiently, and the shortcut keys can be programmable to many different software. The tablet needs to be connected to your PC or laptop via USB Type-C cable, which is included in the package as it does not have any battery or wireless connectivity. It is compatible with Mac, Windows, and mobile devices. It is also compatible with mainstream creative softwares like Photoshop, SAI, Painter, Illustrator, Clip Studio, Corel, GIMP, and more. Overall, the XP Pen Deco01 V2 is one of the best values for money to draw on tablets, offering a package of features at an extremely affordable price. Coming in at number 3, we have the Wacom CT-L40-100 Intuos graphics drawing tablet. The Wacom Intuos is a great entry-level drawing tablet which is very spacious and makes it very easy for everyone. It provides you with all the essentials that one would expect from a drawing tablet and provides you with an easy way to start getting more artistic and creative with your digital inputs. The tablet weighs 8.16 ounces and is so easy to carry around. This graphics tablet is battery-free and works only when you connect it to a computer or a laptop. It is pressure sensitive and comes with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity to make it easy varying thicker and thinner drawing. Although the 2540 LPI resolution won't give you the ultra smooth experience, and that's really unfortunate. The 4K pressure sensitive pen designed to suit both left and right-handed users has an ergonomic design for ease of use and comfort. It also has EMR control which provides precision and to your drawing skill. The pen contains 3 spare nibs inside of the pen cap. The tablet also features 4 large shortcut keys on top of the active area which can be used for minimizing the task at hand. It is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems but lack of compatibility with phones. The Wacom Intuos is one of the best drawing tablets of all time, offering a good set of specifications at an affordable price. You can go with this if you're about to start and know less about the tablet. Next up at number 2, we have the Huion Inspiroi H640p graphics drawing tablet. The small and compact Huion H640p perfectly fits into any laptop case or in your business suitcase, making it very easy and ergonomic to carry around. This graphics tablet is battery-free and works only when you connect it to a computer or a laptop with a micro USB cable, which is included with the package. The 6.3 by 3.9 inch active working surface will give you a larger playing surface in a compact size tablet. Paper-like texture will give you a smooth performance result while working. It features a resolution of 5080 LPI with a response rate of 233 RPS. The tablet comes with a battery-free pen that has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is very tough to find in this budget range. The pen comes with 8 replacement nibs and a pen holder is also included with the package. On the left of the tablet there are 6 quick customizable keys that make doing work much faster and easier. It is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems and it is also compatible with Android 6.0 or later, but you have to purchase OTG separately. When it comes to the overall feature of the Huion Inspiroi H640p graphics drawing tablet, this would be one of your favorite choices so far in this budget range. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro Small. For creatives seeking a high-quality graphic tablet, the Wacom Intuos Pro Small helps you illustrate, edit images, or design with natural creative control, yet boasts a compact footprint for those lacking space or seek portability. It has a slim design with the most compact footprint in the Intuos Pro line, which has an active area of 6.3 inch by 3.9 inch for anyone with a serious creative passion. The resolution of the active R is 5080 LPI, which means drawing with it will be more precise and accurate. It supports multi-touch too, so you can work with pen and finger simultaneously. The Pro Pen 2 features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and virtually lag-free tracking for ultimate precision and control. It can recognize up to 60 degrees of tilting and its latex-free silicone rubber grip gives better hold. The Intuos Pro Small has 6 application-specific express keys and 2 pen side switches that you can program for your ultimate keyboard shortcuts. The touchscreen on the tablet makes quick work of canvas rotation, brush size, cycling through layers, and other functions. The Wacom Intuos Pro is light and slim yet made of premium materials such as black anodized aluminum and fiberglass composite resin for durability and strength. You'll never need to change batteries or charge your pen because it charges off the tablet while in use thanks to Wacom EMR technology. The tablet itself connects to your Mac or PC through the included USB and Bluetooth connection. It's easy to recommend for professionals looking for a tablet to use when out of the studios, as well as to amateur artists and photo enthusiasts. So that's all about the 5 best graphics tablets to buy in 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.